Welcome to this short overview of ProTrader. ProTrader is a free educational trading platform designed to support individuals through structured learning, live sessions, practical tools, and shared experience. Before going any further, it's important to be clear. ProTrader is an educational platform only. Trading involves risk, results are not guaranteed, and every individual is fully responsible for their own trading decisions. Nothing shared should be considered financial or investment advice. The way people learn and work is changing. Many are looking for flexible digital skills that can be accessed globally. Trading is one such skill when approached with the right mindset, education, and discipline. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, operating 24 hours a day during the week, and traded globally by institutions and individuals. ProTrader exists to help people understand how this market works. The platform combines education with beginner to advanced lessons, gold market analysis, live sessions, community discussion, trade journaling, ebooks, and optional broker-provided tools, all designed to support long-term skill development. Education is the foundation. Pro Academy covers core topics such as Forex basics, market structure, price action, trading psychology, and risk management. With Pro Live, individuals can join live sessions where experienced traders break down markets, share perspectives, and answer questions. Replays are available so learning remains flexible. Pro Ideas provides access to market insights and educational trade ideas shared by experienced traders via Telegram. These are provided for educational purposes only. Every individual decides whether and how to act on them, and results are never guaranteed. Journaling also plays a key role. Pro Journal allows users to track decisions, review outcomes, and build discipline over time. One of the most important skills in trading. For those who choose to explore it, broker-provided trade copying tools may be available directly within the broker's platform. Participation is optional, fully managed by the broker, and does not remove risk or guarantee results. ProTrader does not manage or operate these tools. Community matters too. Trading can be isolating, and learning alongside others focused on accountability, education, and personal growth can make a real difference. Access to ProTrader is completely free. There are no subscription fees. The platform is supported through a regulated broker partnership with PU Prime. PU Prime is a well-established global broker operating under regulatory frameworks in multiple regions. To access ProTrader, individuals open and fund a trading account directly with PU Prime. ProTrader requires a minimum $300 deposit in the individual's broker account to unlock platform access. This is not a fee, remains fully under the individual's control, and can be withdrawn in line with the broker's terms. PU Prime may also offer optional broker promotions, such as first-time deposit bonuses on eligible accounts. These promotions are provided solely by the broker, are optional, subject to their terms, and any bonus funds are typically for trading margin only and not withdrawable. ProTrader does not access, hold, or control client funds at any stage. Once the broker account is created and funded, individuals can request access to the ProTrader education and tools platform at no cost. As an additional bonus, clients who sign up to PU Prime through the Black Sheep Culture Club network also receive complimentary access to the BSCC community. This includes additional live study sessions, group calls, trading discussions, mindset and personal development resources, book club content, and health and fitness support. To get started, open a PU Prime account using the link and referral code provided, fund it with at least $300, complete the ProTrader access form, and request access. From there, you may also choose to connect with the Black Sheep Culture Club community. Your journey starts here.